Elgato, a subsidiary of Corsair, is a well-known brand among content creators and streamers, especially thanks to its products like capture cards and stream decks. With the Wave 3, Elgato is taking on the USB microphone market by offering a high-end product designed in collaboration with the Austrian manufacturer Levitt. Compact, sleek, and equipped with its robust Wave Link software, the Wave 3 promises exceptional sound quality and great ease of use. If you're a streamer or content creator, stick around to find out why this mic could become your next studio buddy. The link to buy it is in the description. Every purchase made through this link supports the channel. The design of the Elgato Wave 3 stands out for its simplicity and elegance. With its compact dimensions of 153 by 66 by 40 mm and a weight of just 280 g, this microphone fits perfectly into a minimalist setup. Its body combines sturdy plastic and gray metal, all with a matte finish that inspires confidence. The simple and straight design is complemented by a sturdy yet discreet U-shaped metal stand. On the front, there's a multifunction control knob along with LEDs that show the gain level, monitoring volume, and the mix between the PC sound and the headphone feedback. At the top, a touch button lets you mute the mic with just a press, keeping any unwanted noise at bay. Finally, at the back, the USB-C port and the 3.5mm jack complete a design that's both functional and stylish. However, some users might find the base stand too low, which can make installation a bit tricky. Fortunately, Elgato offers accessories like a shock mount and a pop filter for an optimal setup. The Elgato Wave 3 is a cardioid condenser microphone designed to capture clear and natural sound while minimizing background noise. It offers a frequency response of 70 Hz to 20 kHz, which is perfect for vocal recordings, with a resolution of 24 bits and a sampling rate of up to 96 kHz. This microphone delivers remarkable sound quality, even for demanding projects. One of the standout features of the Wave 3 is its clip guard technology. In case of saturation, this feature automatically redirects the signal to a secondary, less sensitive circuit, preventing any distortion. Plus, the built-in Wave Link software turns this microphone into a real virtual mixing table that lets you mix multiple audio sources like games, a browser, or Discord while adjusting their volume individually. Users can also apply VST plugins to add effects like an equalizer, a noise gate, or even more creative effects like reverb. The microphone features a plug-and-play design, ensuring a simple and quick setup. Plugged into the computer, it's ready to go without any complicated setup. Its ability to deliver a neutral sound makes it an ideal choice for content creators who want a sound base that's easy to work with. Moreover, lightness and sturdiness come together here to provide a product that's both high-performing and durable. For streamers and podcasters, the WEF3 is much more than just a microphone. It's a complete and professional audio solution. In practice, the Elgato Wave 3 stands out for its ergonomics and ease of use. The plug-and-play feature ensures an immediate setup, while the intuitive multifunction knob lets you easily adjust the gain, headphone volume, and the mix between the PC feedback and the mic. The discreet and responsive touch mute button adds extra comfort by preventing any unwanted noise. The Wave Link software is one of the main advantages of the Wave 3. This virtual audio mixer gives you a lot of freedom by allowing you to control and adjust multiple sound sources individually, like games, a browser, or Discord, as we mentioned before. The built-in VST plugins allow for the application of advanced effects like equalization, noise gates, or even creative modulations like reverb. This level of customization is a game changer for streamers looking for a tailored setup. To maximize its potential, using accessories like an adjustable arm and a pop filter is highly recommended. These additions not only help reduce vibrations and background noise, but also optimize the microphone's positioning for flawless sound capture. So, the Wave 3 is perfectly suited for a variety of uses, from live streaming to professional audio content production. Compared to its direct competitors like the Blue Yeti or the HyperX Quadcast, the Elgato Wave 3 stands out with its minimalist approach and advanced software. While the Blue Yeti offers several recording patterns, the Wave 3 focuses on the cardioid mode, which is perfect for vocals. This specialization allows for better sound quality for streamers and podcasters, although it might limit its use in other contexts, like music recording. In terms of technology, the Wave 3's clip guard is a major asset, outperforming the saturation management of many competing models. The Wave Leak software also offers unique flexibility, competing with physical mixers that are often much more expensive. While the Wave 3 lacks the pronounced bass of some mics like the HyperX Quadcast, this feature actually reduces proximity effect and ensures a more neutral sound that's easier to work with. The Elgato Wave 3 is a USB microphone that combines sound quality, sleek design, and advanced functionality. Designed for streamers and content creators, it stands out as a top choice thanks to its Wave Link software and clipguard technology. While it may not be suitable for every use, especially because of its single cardioid pattern, it really shines in its category. For creators looking for a microphone that's both high-performing and easy to use, the WEV3 is a great investment. You'll find the link to get it in the description. Every click and purchase through this link supports the channel, and I really appreciate it. Don't forget to leave a comment to share your thoughts, like the video if you found it helpful, and as always, subscribe so you don't miss our upcoming product discoveries. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye-bye.